Hello everyone, as the title is how can we repair ransomware or corrupted JPEG files. The file here, we have ISHA extension encryption. I tried to rename the file. Oh, still can. Not open. Check through HXD software, we see that they have encrypted file structure. To repair we need another similar file from the frame device. First go to the browser and access my JPEG page. The link is below the description. Scroll down, we can see RecoveryJpeg, click on it. Then click on Releases to download. Select the first file .zip. Here it is blocked by virus error. Let's allow it. Go to Settings to turn it off. Unzip the file and start the software to repair. Click on the file, select the encrypted file. Click on Using Header, select the second one and select the good file. Click on it to see the repaired image. We can see the image is skewed to one side. Click on Image and Edit Image. Here we choose Insert. Choose a number to match the image. And click the View button to see the image. You can click twice if clicking once does not change. After finishing, click Save. Done. You can crop out the gray part at the bottom of the image. Thanks for watching.